Hello, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. I have just done my makeup. I did some new things. I feel like it looks really good, but I do feel like I'm wearing, actually it's not so bad. And it made me kind of like look at all my makeup and everything in my bathroom and realize mama needs to clean. So this is how it kind of ended up. I cleared off the counter, but I want to go through these drawers because I feel like they're not working out to the best of their ability. So that's today's project for right now. I'm still in my pajamas, just got ready, but let's get into the day. But first, say good morning to Brooks and his blinky castle. How you doing, baby? How you doing, Angel? Oh, big stretch. All right, how am I supposed to get any work done when you look at me like this? Because this is face masks. This is like miscellaneous. Feminine, face, definitely cosmetics and lips. And then my brushes, my makeup brushes and my literal brush. I'm not getting rid of too much, but this roller lash is definitely like past its due. Same with this Olay mask, this mask. This is brand new, so I'm putting that away. And I'm finding a better place to put this glow. It's time for lunch. I'm feeling quite lazy, so I'm gonna make a real lazy girl salad with things I already have. So this lettuce is already triple washed and cut and ready, which is the biggest part of making a salad for me. I have to like wash all the lettuce and like clean everything and cut and whatever, which can be the fun part, but right now, not feeling it. Lettuce in the bowl. Onion in. I whipped up a quick vinaigrette with mustard, oil, vinegar, salt, pepper, and honey, and that's the salad. I am seriously binging tonight, or not the word, what's the word? This is like my cheat meal, because I've been doing good, eating healthy, but I'm on my own for dinner tonight, so I got a burger and fries, and I'm really excited. I get a cheeseburger with lettuce, tomato, onion, and mustard and ketchup. Yum. And I got a Diet Coke. Hell to the yes. I have really been off of red meat for a while. Right when I was told maybe I should lay off some of the red meat. And I was like, I don't even eat red meat. Now I've eaten more red meat in the past month than I have in the past year. So let me know. Look how cute. Breakfast. Using the leftover bread from dinner last night. Little egg sandwich, little butter and jam situation. After breakfast, we walked down by the water, brought Brooks to the little dog park down there. He loves the dog park, but he is such a big marker. I've never seen another dog that marks as much as he does. He just wants to pee on everything. And then we came back, got dressed, headed over to our friends for a little birthday situation. Here was my outfit. We got in an Uber, headed over to Brooklyn. We played games, had cake, and had fondue. Another family outing. It was freezing, so I bundled up, but we spent a lot of time outside trying to get Brooks all tired because we were going to dinner that night. Here's me heading to dinner. Here's what I wore. Did like a brown monochrome look, vintage blazer, loafers. I was trying to look smart. I didn't know where we were going, so I was told like the vibe, but we ended up going to the Waverly Inn. It was so cozy and cute in there. I love the wallpaper. They have like really fun decor. They have this little back garden area. How cute is this menu? We were hoping they would have matches like this, but they didn't. We started with burrata, which was really, really good. I got the shepherd's pie. Dan got the chicken. It's very like wholesome. And then for dessert, we got this sticky toffee pudding. That was amazing. Dan is working late at the office today. He's been super busy. So that means I got to order my own dinner. So I wanted to try this place, Tam Mediterranean. I've never had it before. It smells freaking incredible. So it's T-A-I-M. And this is what I got. You can like make your own bowl. And I did, hold on. I did half hummus, half couscous, which I love Israeli couscous so much. Cauliflower shawarma, but you can do just like chicken. And then I did crispy shallots, pickled onions, this mango sauce, this other sauce, I don't even know. I loaded it up a little bit, and then it comes with this cucumber and tomato salad. It looks delicious. So let's see. Let's try it out, shall we? Let me try the hummus. Try the sauces. Yummy. Try a bite of this cauliflower. I love shawarma. A nice little bowl. I just went to the gym and worked out, and then I came back, took Brooks out for a walk, took a shower. I blow dried any sweat I had out of my hair, and I found that this is a really great way for me to still work out and reach my fitness goals while still like not having to wash my hair every day with shampoo. So it's still like a little bit of greasy. I need dry shampoo in the morning, but definitely better than shampoo. And then I like to do this regardless, but this has been like one of my favorite things ever. Well, first of all, I'll take a shower, and then I end my shower always with a cold shower. It just makes me feel so good. And also I got this. I used to just use an ice cube. My mom got me this for Christmas. It's one of those like things that you fill up with water and it freezes. This one's great because it has literally like a gua sha, basically a contoured edge. So I like to do it while I'm still in my towel / robe because it is ice. It melts, it makes a mess, but I love the feeling of like icing my face at the end of the night. I find it's amazing for my skin, my whole body. If it feels like I'm getting a nice cool bath on my face, my whole body like regulates a little bit better, I find. It's literally dripping everywhere, so make sure you have a towel. I will link this one on Amazon, but you can also just grab an ice cube, and I promise it'll be the best thing for your skin. It like closes your pores. It just, I don't know why, it just like makes it feel amazing. If you could do this in the morning, that would be great. I like nighttime. I have a whole nighttime routine. I still not a morning person, not a morning routine person, but at night I like to do lots of things, including this. I'll get my jaw, my neck, the tops of my scalp, which like feels great. Amazing. Such a good feeling. Whoa. I feel like in the new year I'm already struggling to get into a groove. I don't know, I haven't been filming very much. I've been really focused on TikTok, so like my YouTube has not been my priority. I've been dealing with some things in my personal life, and I just feel out of whack. But I feel like tonight was a good start. I had therapy, I went to the gym. We have a lot of fun plans over the whole next month. Next week I'm going to Florida. It's gonna be a good time. It's just been a slow and honestly really painful start to the year. It's okay. We're gonna be all right. We like my nails. I kind of hate them, but I kind of like them. I use D&D Earth Day. What do we think? Okay, I think that's good for now. Look at how much I melted off. Now I have to do all this laundry. I did all this laundry today, but I did not fold it. I just put it in my bedroom. Look at me, angel. What is wrong with these lights? These lights just like really mess with my camera. They're the smart lights, and apparently like the technologies don't work well together. But anyway, excuse me, so funny. I have to do all this laundry now.